Imagine living in a world where gravity is twice as strong as it is today. Every step would feel heavier, every object harder to lift, and life on Earth would look very different. But what exactly would happen if gravity doubled? Let's explore how this change would impact the planet, its ecosystems, and humanity. What is gravity? Gravity is the invisible force that pulls objects toward each other. On Earth, gravity keeps us grounded and gives us weight. It's determined by the planet's mass and the distance to its center. If Earth's gravity were to double, it would mean the planet's mass somehow increased or the radius decreased. Either way, the effects would be dramatic. Impact on the Earth's surface, everything would become twice as heavy. A person weighing 70 kilograms, 154 pounds would now weigh 140 kilograms, 308 pounds. Everyday tasks like walking, running, or lifting objects would become incredibly difficult. Our bodies, which are designed for Earth's current gravity, would struggle to adapt. Buildings, bridges, and other structures would need to withstand twice the gravitational pull. Many existing structures would collapse under their own weight, as they weren't designed for such conditions. Skyscrapers might become shorter, and architecture would need to rely on stronger materials and designs. Mountains might crumble or flatten over time as the increased gravity exerts extra pressure on the Earth's crust. Rivers and waterfalls would flow faster due to the stronger pull, reshaping landscapes at an accelerated rate. Impact on the environment. Trees would struggle to grow tall, as their trunks and branches would need to support much more weight. Forests might look like miniature versions of today's landscapes, with shorter and sturdier plants dominating the ecosystem. Animals would have to evolve to survive the extra weight. Heavier bodies would make movement and hunting more difficult. Birds might struggle to fly, as their wings would need to generate twice the lift. Many species could face extinction, unable to adapt to the new conditions. Ocean waves and tides would behave differently. Stronger gravity would pull water more intensely, causing higher pressure in the depths. Sea creatures would need to adapt to the increased pressure, and underwater ecosystems might change drastically. Impact on humans. Human bodies would need to evolve to handle the increased gravity. We might develop shorter, stockier builds with stronger bones and muscles to support the extra weight. However, these changes would take thousands or even millions of years. Initially, humans would face serious health problems. The increased strain on our hearts and lungs would make breathing and circulation more difficult. Bones and joints would wear out faster, leading to more injuries and chronic pain. Humans are adaptable, and technology would play a big role in overcoming the challenges of double gravity. Exoskeletons or robotic assistants could help people move and lift objects. Transportation systems might rely on advanced engineering to handle the increased weight of vehicles and goods. Impact on space exploration. With twice the gravity, escaping Earth's pull would require much more energy. Rockets would need to be significantly larger and more powerful, making space exploration more expensive and difficult. Satellites and space stations might also need to adjust their orbits to account for the stronger gravitational field. Would life be possible? Life as we know it would face extreme challenges in a world with double gravity. Many current species, including humans, might not survive without significant adaptation. However, life could evolve over time to thrive in these conditions. Earth's ecosystems would look very different, but life might find a way to persist. Conclusion. If Earth's gravity were twice as strong, it would fundamentally reshape our planet and the way we live. From changes in our environment to adaptations in technology and biology, humanity would need to rethink how we interact with the world around us. While such a scenario is purely hypothetical, it's a fascinating thought experiment that shows just how much we rely on the delicate balance of forces that make life on Earth possible.